going on, guys? Welcome to the YnS Media YouTube channel. My name is Eric. I'm gonna be running this page with my buddy Nate. So today we're gonna be going to New Mexico Truck Fest 2026. I'm gonna take off here in a little bit. I'm just waiting on my buddy Chewy. You can look him up on YouTube as Low Boosted Accord. Got some good videos, and hopefully we can do some collabs here soon. We're waiting on him to load up his truck, and then we'll hit the road. So I'll get some more videos on the road. Hold on, guys, back at you again. So the Chewy came, got the truck, hooked up and everything, ready to go. We're about to take off, so I'll probably get some videos while we're on the road. Not much to see on the way over there, honestly, but try to get something. I know we're gonna meet some homies up there and just chill, honestly, till it's time to drop off the truck and trailer at the show for tomorrow. And then yeah, that's pretty much it, but I'll see y'all out there. What's going on, guys? So we're running behind schedule. The truck, there was a line that busted for the transmission cooler. We waited about almost 3 hours to get oil and all that, just to get it back and running so we can make it to Albuquerque. So that got done, and then my homie Leo and his lady's truck, we fixed the truck that we were in, and not even 5 minutes after we left, she got a blown tire. Let's see if I can show y'all. Pinche llanta toda casquilada. But took them a bit to swap out that tire. Now we're here in Vaughn, getting snacks and stuff, getting ready. There is gonna be a pre-meet later on today that we're trying to make it, so hopefully we can make it there on time, but I don't know, guys. We'll see how it goes. What's going on, guys? We're back here in Albuquerque. We didn't record much, we got pretty tired, but we're out here. Puro desmadre. Check it out. Look at famous Paisa Blue truck, the Willy Wonka. We'll have more videos out tomorrow. What's going on, guys? It's your boy Eric with YnS Media. We're here in New Mexico Truck Fest, chilling with our homie El de la Cheyenne. We haven't recorded. It's been kind of hot, so they're barely starting opening up the pit, and honestly, it's a good turnout. I'm gonna try to get some more videos out there here in a minute. Hopefully I can get into the burnout pit with David from Paisa Built. So we'll see how it goes.
Alright, guys, I'm gonna take over for a little bit. Eric right here, where's he at? Right there. Take over for a little bit. Heading over to the burnout pit actually right now. We'll check all that shit out. And now we'll start walking around. Like Eric said a second ago, we barely setting up, finished barely setting up, getting everything situated. Now we're gonna take a look at the burnout pit and check everything out.
because you're swinging too much.
Alright guys, I'm walking away from the burnout pit now. Pretty good trucks in there. We're only able to get 2 of them. One of them kind of broke down or something inside the pit, so they had to get him out. There was a second truck that was going around. It's pretty good, but you know. Now me and Eric are probably just gonna start walking around, check everybody out, check out all the trucks, get it going. Catch y'all in a second. Vamos. El Mario y David de Spice Up Bill. ¡Delicioso! ¡Ay! Todo pinche. El Willy Wonka, a ver, mira. Pretty badass fucking truck. A ver, Mario, ¿cómo andamos, padre?
Andamos del millón aquí en New Mexico Truck Fest. Un calorón, pero aquí andamos.
Sí. Pinche Eric. Now we're gonna be heading into the main festival area. See, we got a bunch of trucks in here. Check everything out inside of here. Team Billet. Einstein Freddy LS6.
Y yo no más fea camarena les dijo el no.
Y andamos con Ricardo.
¿Cómo te sientes? Ahí está, my careful.
A este, güey. Vamos con Freddy. Hey, wait. We're gonna have like 3 minutes of no audio because of all the music.
That's fine. You can put your own music in there.
You see? And be sure it's not copyrighted. I don't know.
And then we can go back around that way.
We'll
stop by Diablo.
See? That works. I don't know. Getting pretty hot out here. Been at a good, like, fucking, I don't even know, like 80 degrees, 89. Not too hot, but no breeze is fucking me up.
That's true. It is fucking the heat. It's not it.
It's like a dry heat, bro.
Literally.
Sepado, fucking. That was everything back this way. Nothing but vendors back here. I might stop by and get some tacos later. We'll see. Check them out.
So in October, I'll be going to Colorado for Colorado Truck Madness. I'll probably take some videos out there. My boy Nate probably won't be able to go, sadly, but you know, we'll see how it goes. It'll be my first time going out to Colorado. So let's have a good one.
All right, guys. We'll just start walking around again. Catch you guys in a second.
It was a good day. It was hot. Honestly, really, really hot. But my boy, Low Boosted Accord, awesome videos are going to come out on his channel. Y'all make sure to check out his channel for sure. You'll see more videos of his cat eye and, you know, just regular stuff that he does on a daily. I wouldn't say a daily post, but he is more consistent, so it's good. Stay tuned for Colorado in October. So we're going to be there for Colorado Truck Madness. It'll be my first time going to Colorado, so stay tuned. I'm going to try to get as much videos as I can over there. And yes.
Alright guys, we're back at the Airbnb. Something that we should talk about when I first got here. Fuck me, bro. When I first got here, because Eric got here before I did. He got here with our homie Chewy. Low Booster Court on YouTube. You guys go give him a follow. Subscribe to his channel. He's a good guy. But when I first got here, somebody hit my truck. Hit and run. Shout out ABQ police. You guys are fucking valen bien vergas, la neta. Pero no pasa nada. Fucking hopefully insurance will help me get this shit figured out. Drove 2 hours. No, what? 2.5, 3 hours? Just to get hit and the cops not show up for a fucking police report. Shout out ABQ. Appreciate y'all for that. La neta. I'll put in some pictures for the for you guys to see. Yeah. Now we're just here chilling at the Airbnb, playing some pool. Playing some pool, just fucking kicking back. Show went fine. You know, can't let little setbacks like that, you know, ruin my mood, ruin the weekend. It is what it is. You know, son puras cosas de material. It is, you know, it is what it is. Like I said, can't let that ruin your whole weekend. You know, it sucks. Don't get me wrong. It definitely does suck. I gotta get the truck trailer back home because my straight is the wheel completely turned to the left. But you know, hopefully insurance will help me get me right. You see, now new truck on the way. We'll either pick up tomorrow before we leave, or you know, this is gonna be the end of the video. And if that is the case, you know, appreciate you guys for tuning in. You know, if you do like the videos, if you do like the way we're doing things here on the channel, please definitely leave a like, drop a follow, hit that subscribe button. You know, we are gonna try and start posting more. Like Eric said earlier today, he is gonna be going to Colorado. Unfortunately, I probably won't be able to go, depending on how everything goes with the truck, depending on if I'm able to get off of work. If I can go, I would definitely be there. But if not, you know, Eric will definitely take over that video. Him and Chewy. A little boost to the court again. Definitely drop him a follow, subscribe to his YouTube channel. But yeah, so if anything, you know, thank you guys again for tuning in, checking out the channel. We definitely do appreciate you guys for checking out the YouTube channel, following, dropping a like, whatever. I definitely do appreciate you guys. And if anything, we'll see you guys tomorrow. If not, we'll see you next upload. Appreciate you.